Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing these Anchusa Blue Angel, Hardy Annual. Sowing instructions: best sown where they are to flower in spring, blah blah, 6mm, quarter-inch deep, well cultivated soil, rake, as you can see there. But what we're going to do is, to get around that, you're going to be sowing them in these, because by doing it this way you can choose whereabouts you want your flowers to go. So first of all, you just get your toilet roll chool, like so. Fill it full of compost. You want to fill it full of compost, tap it down, and fill it like so. Just make sure there's like about a centimetre gap at the top. A couple more to do, then we'll get the seed sowing. This is a peat based compost. It's got a little bit of feed in it as well to help them get going. Also wet it down and mix it up just so it's starting to stick together slightly. One more, I think, then we can get the seed sowing done. Nearly there. So, right, that's that done. So we've got 8, 16, 24, 27 in there. So first of all, let's get this set up proper camera. See what we're doing. Yep, I think that's it. Yeah, first of all, get this seeds open. Yeah, let's get these open first. Get the scissors. Eventually. Right, that's that open. There's 25 seeds in here. They're reasonable size. So look, shall we? Yep. As it says there, 6mm deep, a quarter of an inch. So all I want you to do is just like so. Just cover them, a couple in each one. Nearly there. Let's see if there's any more left in here. Looking forward to these. The flowers look really good on these. That's it. So that's them done. All you need to do once you've done that is give them a water. Get the name tag done. Like so. Which one that is, and that's the first 2 rows there. Like I said, I give them a good water and I shall put them in full sun in the corner of the greenhouse. If you've got any questions how to sow and grow these, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And happy sowing, happy growing. Thanks for watching. Bye.